Luscombe Motors are pleased to offer to the market this great example of the Kia Picanto X-line. Now, this being the X-line, it's got a number of different features than your standard Kia Picanto. So you can see you've got the touches round the light bezels at the front and the grille. Now, you also have upgraded alloys, so you get 16-inch alloys which aren't a standard design, as we can see there. These are in really good condition, as is the whole car. It's low mileage, full service history, so it's been looked after not just cosmetically but mechanically. It does really show on this vehicle. You've got tinted glass on 3 sides, which is a nice contrast to the white paintwork and the black mouldings. The Picanto's an excellent city car. It's got a 1 litre turbo engine, which gives you excellent miles per gallon, but nice bit of acceleration when you need it at junctions, roundabouts. Being Kia, it's also very, very reliable. Decent size boot, obviously given the size of the car. With the X-line, you get a slightly raised vehicle, so makes access and getting into the boot that bit easier. You certainly got space for shopping and luggage. The interior is just as nice a condition as the exterior. We'll start off in the back. I mean, it looks like it's never really been sat in. As we can see, you get the faux leather seating throughout with the X-line as well. Good leg room for rear passengers. Again, it's a city car, but you know, they'd certainly be comfortable in the back there. Let's take a look up front. So, like the rear of the vehicle, very, very nice condition, as we can see there. No marks or scratches on your seating, and that's the same for across the dash and your steering wheel, as you can see there. Let's jump inside. I want to show you the media screen. So you get a 7-inch colour touchscreen, as we can see here, and this gives you Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, so full phone connectivity, as well as your DAB radio. You also get, I'll put it in reverse, you get a reversing camera, which gives you a nice, there we are, it gives you a nice clear image, as we can see there, with reversing guidelines. You also get rear radar sensors as well, so not only see it on screen, you get an audible alert as to how near everything you are. Plenty of handy storage points throughout the car. You can see in the centre console there, where you've also got USB charger, auxiliary, and you've got aircon there also. There's voice command in this vehicle, so particularly nice as you're driving along. You can have it speak with your phone and call people or carry out certain commands. So there we have it. That is our Kia Picanto X-line. Great exterior styling, really, really reliable vehicle. Nice features and driver aids as well. And we'll service it before the car leaves, so provide it with a full service history. We'll also provide warranty and a 12-month advisory free MOT. So if you'd like more information or to arrange a test drive, please get in touch with a member of the team. Thanks for watching.